Action.
Hello, and this is the home cooking show on BBC. My name is Danielle, and I'm going to introduce Janet Street-Porter, who's going to cook you a lovely delight for this evening for you to see. Janet, what are you cooking tonight?
I'm making some beef and dumpling stew.
Tasty. Now, what are you going to do, Janet? What was the first step?
Stir these lovely ingredients around in a pot.
Still a bit cold in here.
I think you should turn up the heat, Janet. You're not getting anywhere, love. Come on.
I'm doing it! Jesus.
It's a bit chilly.
Turn up the heat, Janet. Come on. You need to cook something a bit better than this.
Don't you talk to me like that.
I feel sick. You'll get this out.
Warming up a bit
Now,
Oh.
Okay.
now the
Why do people use egg
pot
timers?
is going to go in the
There's
microwave.
phones.
I'm on hold. Do you really put pots in microwaves? I'm a bit nervous about this venture.
I'll just get in.
Oh, I said
Be
I was
careful
cold.
with the break
but
the
I'm
pot,
cold.
Janet. Be careful and spill anything.
And the
Stew does have
microwave.
sauce.
I'm shutting the microwave.
Yeah. Well done.
And I'll put the microwave on.
Well done.
And I'll set the egg timer for 10 minutes.
Surely you don't need an egg timer in the microwave. I'm so tired.
The microwave hasn't got a timer on it, love.
I know I said I wanted something hotter, but my Christ, it's a bit hot in here.
Right, Jen, I think they'll do you washing up now. Look at the mess you made. Come on, chop chop.
Breaking a right sweat in here.
Oh, I can't deal with it.
Boiling. Oh, God. I think I'm going to overboil in this heat.
The egg timer should be going off soon.
The
Yeah,
greenhouse.
time's nearly up.
I've nearly.
Janet,
Please.
better hurry up with the jobs.
Help me.
And here's the, I've burned the finished product.
Yes, you did, Janet. Your poor cookery skills resulted in this.
Bet he's gonna blame me now.
Yeah, well, I told you to go off in 10 minutes, love.
It depends how high you turn up the heat, Janet. Don't blame the egg timer. It's only a
Thanks,
tool.
Danielle.
Get me in the sink. I'm still far too hot.
Oh, get in here.
Come on, we need to look at the finished product.
There you go. A lovely beef and dumpling stew.
You won't want to eat me, I'm burnt. I'm all crunchy.
Do you want it back?
Well, customers have to eat something. And Janet's poor
And here we go. Let's serve the customers. Alright, here's a beef and dumpling stew. I hope you like it.
a burnt even.
No, it's not. It's just meant to look like that, love.
No, it's not.
What do you all think of it?
Disgusting, I bet.
It's lovely.
Of course it is.
Burnt.
Really starting to chill out down here now. Now I'm in the sink. I mean, I think that something hot was just what I needed.
That's right. Now you've finished cooking, just leave poor old egg timer.
And tomorrow I'm going to cook a chili con carne
Oh, great.
with rice.
Let's not burn that one,
Something
Janet.
hot again.
That's it for today, but we'll be back tomorrow. But beware, the programme's 1 hour later because of the football.
Ta-ta!